Ever wondered which car is the undisputed champion of the electric vehicle world? Which one sits atop the sales charts, leading the charge for the EV revolution? We're talking about Tesla, of course, the company synonymous with electric cars. They've got a whole lineup, from the sleek Model S to the futuristic Cybertruck, but only one can wear the crown of bestseller. So, which Tesla reigns supreme? Before we unveil the winner, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Tesla's journey began with the Roadster, a sporty two-seater that proved electric cars could be cool. It was a proof of concept, a signal of what was to come. Then came the Model S, a luxury sedan that shattered expectations. It offered incredible performance, impressive range, and cutting-edge technology, changing the perception of electric vehicles forever. The Model X, a larger SUV with those iconic falcon wing doors, followed, offering practicality and style in equal measure. These early models laid the foundation for Tesla's success, building a loyal following and establishing the brand as a leader in the EV space. But these weren't the mass-market vehicles that would truly propel Tesla to the top. They were premium offerings, catering to a specific segment of the market. What Tesla needed was a car that could appeal to a wider audience, a car that could compete with mainstream gasoline-powered vehicles on price and practicality. That's where the Model 3 comes in. Introduced in 2017, the Model 3 was designed to be Tesla's first truly mass-market car. It was smaller and more affordable than the Model S and X, making it accessible to a much larger customer base. And it was a hit. The Model 3 quickly became a global phenomenon, driving record sales for Tesla and accelerating the adoption of electric vehicles worldwide. But is the Model 3 still Tesla's best-selling vehicle today? Or has another model taken the lead? Well, let's consider the competition. There's the Model Y, a compact SUV that shares many of its components with the Model 3. This approach allowed Tesla to bring the Model Y to market relatively quickly and efficiently. SUVs are incredibly popular worldwide, so the Model Y was perfectly positioned to capitalize on this trend. It offers more cargo space and a higher driving position than the Model 3, appealing to families and those who prefer a more commanding view of the road. The Model Y has been a massive success, and it's a strong contender for the best-selling title. It combines the practicality of an SUV with the performance and technology that Tesla is known for. It's also often priced similarly to the Model 3, making it a compelling alternative for many buyers. So, we have two strong contenders, the Model 3, the original mass-market Tesla, and the Model Y, the popular SUV. Both have played crucial roles in Tesla's growth and the wider adoption of electric vehicles. Now, let's get to the answer. Which one is the best-selling Tesla? The answer is the Tesla Model Y. While the Model 3 was the initial catalyst for Tesla's mass-market success, the Model Y has overtaken it in recent years to become the company's best-selling vehicle globally. Several factors have contributed to this shift. Firstly, the global popularity of SUVs. The Model Y taps into a massive market segment, appealing to buyers who prioritize space, practicality, and a higher driving position. This trend isn't unique to electric vehicles. SUVs are dominating the overall car market. Secondly, the Model Y's versatility. It offers more cargo space than the Model 3, making it a more practical choice for families and those who need to carry larger items. It also offers an optional third-row seat, further expanding its appeal. Thirdly, the Model Y benefits from economies of scale. Because it shares so many components with the Model 3, Tesla can produce it efficiently and keep costs relatively low. This allows them to offer competitive pricing, making the Model Y an attractive option compared to both other electric vehicles and gasoline-powered SUVs. It's important to emphasize that the Model 3 remains a hugely important vehicle for Tesla. It was the car that brought Tesla to the masses, and it continues to be a strong seller. But the Model Y's combination of practicality, versatility, and market demand has propelled it to the top of Tesla's sales charts. The success of the Model Y underscores the importance of understanding market trends. Tesla recognized the popularity of SUVs and capitalized on it by offering an electric option that delivers on performance, technology, and practicality. This also highlights the evolution of the EV market. Initially, electric cars were often seen as niche vehicles, appealing to early adopters and environmentally conscious consumers. But with the introduction of models like the Model 3 and Model Y, electric vehicles have become mainstream. They are now competing directly with gasoline-powered cars on price, performance, and practicality. The Model Y's reign as Tesla's best-selling vehicle is a testament to this shift. It shows that electric cars are no longer just a trend, they are a significant part of the automotive landscape. And as technology continues to improve and prices continue to fall, we can expect to see even more electric vehicles on the road in the years to come. So, to recap, while the Tesla Model 3 was a groundbreaking vehicle that brought Tesla to the mass market, the Tesla Model Y has now taken the crown as the company's best-selling vehicle globally. This is largely due to the worldwide popularity of SUVs, the Model Y's versatility, and the efficient production process that Tesla has implemented. The Model Y's success story reflects the increasing mainstream adoption of electric vehicles and the changing landscape of the automotive industry. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.